Alright, I'm gonna do a dog intro with a male. It's a neutered male. Good boy. You're right. Good job. Cash, come here. Yeah, I don't really trust you with other dogs. I don't. Not to do this by myself, anyway. Alright, so I want to switch and have him inside. Have him in the kennel and have her on the outside. Let me try this. Let's see. Okay. Alright, let's try this. Gonna have a feeling she has no interest. Cash, cash. Cash, cash. Good job, good boy. So this looks like it's nothing, right? But she gets lots of lip licks with eye contact and very stiff. And a lot of avoidance, right? So like, money, money, cash, cash. Hey, my buddy. And Cash is one of my more neutral dogs, so we're gonna, he knows not to rush up on her like that. Nope. So I'm gonna stop for a second. Full 30 or full 3 minutes on these glasses. Good boy, Cash. So these shelter videos like this probably look great because she's not interested. Very stiff. They just walked away. I'm just trying to make sure I capture everything, so it might be in sections, but some of these videos like that probably look great in the shelter because they're either avoiding it or, oh, nothing happened, but that is not good body language. Cash. He's very neutral, so I'm comfortable putting them together. I would not drop the leash for her. Because the times that he has approached, she closes her mouth, she gets really still. I just don't, and I don't feel like putting my old man in, you know, in the middle of that, but Cash, cash. Good job, buddy. He's very good at walking, like, not directly at a dog, typically. He walks to the side. Like, he's a very neutral dog. So, dog reactivity or dog selectivity is not always the one that's lunging at the end of the leash. Sometimes it's the one avoiding the other dog, too. Super tense, super uncomfortable. This is also with a bigger male dog, right? So I'm going to try and switch out with Zeus, who's a little more like dog selective itself, because Cash is very neutral, so we're not going to get, even if she slightly is, he's going to be very respectful, because you're a good boy, right, Cash Money? So I'm going to hook her up and then go get Zeus.